Hi everyone, this is John from Drones and Planes and welcome to our guide to the Runway Visitor Park at Manchester Airport. Enjoy! So this is the main viewing area, the Spectator area. You can see there's these perspex huts at the end and a plane taking off just in the background. It's KLM. I don't know if there's a fight going on like there was the other day. Anyway, so this is the main Spectator area. You got the ramp here, and there's benches and tables, and there's Josh. Wave, Josh. Hello. And yeah, it's caters for bad weather as well. Obviously, you've got the perspex things there. They get quite busy if it's raining. But yeah, it's higher up above the fence lines. I'll show you in a minute for photographs. And this is the spotting mound. As you can see, there's lots of tables and chairs and the plastic little huts here for when it's a bit rainy. There's a plane taking off. I know it's just landing, but yeah, it's great up here. As long as you can get a seat, people tend to stand on the tables and chairs as well to get better views. Some people don't like it, but you don't have a choice really. And this is the view that you get from the top of the mound, which is pretty awesome. I'm right at the front. Great for photography and great for recording your aviation videos as well. And straight in front of me here is the newly refurbished control tower. So this is used by the commentary team to give the information around the planes that are taking off and landing. It's a great service run by volunteers, and the guys that give the commentary have worked at the airport before, either in the control tower or in the operations centre and what have you. So like I say, that red and white check scheme was new for this year, and personally I think it looks rather snazzy. And over to the right here is another covered seating area, which is great in the summer. Just bring your picnic, sit on the benches and watch the world go by. Further in the distance is a kiddies play area, but we'll go down there in a bit. If we keep going right, you can see the Concorde Hangar in the background, and further right, this is the main office block where the toilets are on the first door here on the right, and then we've got the aviation shop on the further right. And we're now walking into the Concorde Hangar. It's free to look around, but you can book a tour to go actually inside the Concorde itself. Prices vary and they offer different levels of a view as well. And here she is. Look at that. What an absolute beauty. And there's also an excellent on-site cafe here serving hot drinks, cold drinks, snacks, food, you name it, they've got it. And it's not bad value either. Some people do moan it's a little bit expensive, but at the end of the day, for where it is, I think it's absolutely brilliant. And if you use some of the meal deals, then it's even better. So I'd support them and pay them a visit if you are in the area. And a bit further down from the cafe, you've got the extension of the playground. This is a concession run by a separate company, but it's always popular with the kids. And also we've got another aircraft, the Avro RJX100 on static display, which you can also have a look round for free. And here's a good size comparison for you. Look at the little turboprop there, the little ATR, compared to pan to the right. Look at the size of that. Massive. That's the A380. And there you can see the plethora of photographers and video recorders and what have you, like myself, that stand on top of the mound that gives them the best viewing of the aircraft without the fence in the way. The pilot's waving there, which is always a great little touch. Well done, sir. So not only are there planes to watch on the runway and across the airfield, but there's also a few aircraft on static display, such as this Hawker Siddeley Trident here. So this is a Nimrod, and these were used as reconnaissance aircraft back in the day. Well, this is John signing out from the RVP on behalf of Drones and Planes. Hope you've enjoyed the footage. If you have, please do give me a like. Leave any comments, good or bad, below. And if you want to get future updates from our channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take care now, look after yourselves, and see you in the next video.